Well, this is my new motor. It's going to be going on the homemade trike. This is, you know, kind of a before I tear it down and give it a whole rebuild. Stock, nasty carburetor, kind of no governor, smokes horribly. Got a new spark plug in it, but that's just, you know, try to get it to run. And 3/4 crank, there's that. It runs alright. I haven't tried to run this yet, but this is pretty much a parts motor because of this tapered shaft. Because, you know, these are pointless. What do you use these for? They don't have a keyway to turds, what that is. Like a kick in the nuts, kinda. Anyway, so you got that. Might use it for maybe a, I don't know, something. Not sure what. There's that. Here's a choke cable like rigged up somehow. I don't know why. That's that. I haven't tried to run it, but anyway, here's my 5-horse. And I'm sure you're gonna get a very crooked level. But anyway, that should be pretty somewhat straight. Got a problem too, and these ball bearings have to tear apart and see about it. Do the ball bearings, they don't fall into place right, so shouldn't do this, but on me, so I do that. Again with the see how it just slipped. Anyway, 5-horse Briggs and Stratton. Not sure of the year. Might see about that later. But yeah, that's that. Gas power rules, and this is part 1 of starting to rebuild it and tear it down and stuff next. Alright, thanks. Bye.